Hey everyone, do you have a friend or family member who absolutely loves their pets? Today, I'm sharing 20 thoughtful and fun gift ideas for pet lovers, whether they're obsessed with their dogs, cats, or any furry friend. Let's dive right in. 1. Personalized pet portrait. Turn their pet into a piece of art. It's personal, heartwarming, and always appreciated. 2. Custom pet name tag. Stylish and practical, add flair to any collar with a unique design and engraving. 3. Pet-themed mug. Let them sip their morning coffee while showing off their pet love. 4. Interactive pet toys. Gifts that keep pets happy and entertained equals a happy pet owner. 5. Pet camera. Let them keep an eye on their furry friend from anywhere. Some even have treat dispensers. 6. Customized pet blanket. Soft, cozy, and printed with their pet's photo? Yes, please. 7. Monthly pet subscription box. New toys and treats delivered every month. What's not to love? 8. Funny pet t-shirt. Whether it's for the human or the pet, a fun tee always brings a smile. 9. Pet grooming kit. Help them pamper their pet at home with brushes, shampoos, and more. 10. Stylish pet bed. Chic and comfy, perfect for pampered paws. 11. Engraved pet jewelry. A bracelet or necklace with their pet's name or paw print is deeply meaningful. 12. Pet carrier backpack. For those who love to take their pets on adventures, especially great for small dogs or cats. 13. Treat baking kit. Homemade goodies made with love for their furry friend. 14. Pet lovers calendar, filled with adorable pet pics and fun reminders for vet checkups and birthdays. 15. Paw print kit. Capture their pet's paw print forever, a beautiful keepsake. 16. Personalized food and water bowls. Add names, colors, and fun designs to feeding time. 17. Automatic feeder. Great for busy pet parents who want to make sure that their pets are fed on time. 18. Cozy pet hoodie. Keep their furry friend warm and looking cute in colder months. 19. Pet training book or online course. Perfect for new pet owners or anyone looking to teach their dog new tricks. 20. Donation in their pet's name. Support an animal shelter or rescue organization. This heartfelt gift goes a long way. And there you have it. 20 gift ideas for pet lovers that are thoughtful, fun, and full of tail-wagging happiness. Which one is your favorite? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more gift inspiration every week. Thanks for watching.